Hey guys, I was hoping to be with you today, but I had to go to Dallas last minute here. And so I'm about to show you how to use Google Docs for your class. You're going to be creating one common document for the entire class that all of you will be able to edit. And this is where you're going to be able to put the information that Mr. Plocicia wants you to have on there. One of the really cool things about this is you have what's called synchronous and asynchronous editing. What that means is you'll have one document that you're editing, and the people in your class will all be able to edit the same document. You can actually edit it at the same time, or you can edit it at different times from one another. So you can do it at home, in class, at the same time, at different times, it doesn't matter. And everybody will be able to see everybody's changes there, okay? So let's flip over to my internet browser here. I'm using Google Chrome, and I'm going to walk you through the steps now on how to create a document, how to share it, and then how to access it once it's been shared to you. Okay, so let's flip over now. Okay, so let's take a look here and see what we need to do. You'll notice that I'm at google.com. This is where you're going to log into your school account to get to your email, Google Drive, Google Docs, all that good stuff, okay? So you notice I'm at google.com and I've got a sign in feature up here. So I'm going to go to sign in, and you're going to put in your school email address, which is going to be your first name dot last name at scecampus.org. Now mine's a little bit different. Mine's not the same format. So I'm just going to put mine in real quick, but yours is going to be first name dot last name at scecampus.org. I'm going to click sign in. Okay, now it takes me back to this page. It shows me that I'm signed in here. It'll give you your email address right there. All right, now at the top, I've got several options, just like I do when I'm using Google, but now I can go to the one that says Drive. Now, when I go to Drive, it's going to pull up here. This is my Google Drive. See, these are documents I've created, that I've shared, things like that. If it's the first time logging in for you, this might say Documents still, and it's going to ask you to upgrade to Drive. It might ask you to agree to some terms and things like that. So just kind of navigate through all that until you get to this screen right here where it says Drive. It's got Create and Share with Me and all those types of things. So for this class, you're going to be creating one shared document where you're going to be sharing ideas and different things like that. So I'm going to walk you through creating a shared document. It's really quite easy. Over on the left-hand side it says Create. I'm going to click Create, and then I'm going to click Document. You notice there's several things that you can make here, but I'm going to click Document this time. And it's going to bring me to a Google Doc. Now, a few things that you need to notice here. To change the title of the Google Doc, you're just going to click on the name up here, and you can rename it. So I'm going to call this Sample Document. So you can name it whatever you need to name it. Okay. All right. You notice it changes. Now, there's no save button. Everything automatically saves every time you make a change, so you don't ever have to worry about saving anything. You've got all the normal formatting options here that you would have when it comes to word processing, all very similar to anything you've experienced before. Just start adding text and you're good to go. Now, the big difference here, and the reason you're using Google Docs, is because you're able to share. So I'm going to go and show you how to share this right now. On the upper right hand corner you see a button that says Share. I'm going to click Share. Okay, and all you have to do is add the names down here of the people that you want to share it to. Okay, so let's say I want to share it to Mr. Beeler. Okay, his name is Jim Beeler. All right, so click his name. I want to share it to Mr. Plocicia. Okay, Tim Plocicia. All right, I've got him. I want to share it to Jeremiah Bennis. Okay, go click him. All right, once you have all the people in there, you want to make sure that you've got the right permissions, so you can say they want to edit because you want them to be able to write on this document. And you want to check this box that says notify people via email. It's already checked. And then you just click Share and Save. Now when you do that, you've got a list of people here that can access the document. So for this class, you're going to want to type in everybody that's in the class, and then just click Done. Now, once people have had something shared to them, okay, when they go to Google, they can go to their mail up here, and it will have an invitation in there that says, hey, they've shared a document with you, okay, or when you go back to your drive, on the left-hand side, you can click where it says Shared with Me, and you can find the document that's been shared to you, okay? All right, so just to review real quick, we logged in, we went to Drive here, we went to Create, created a document, we renamed the document, we've got all the right formatting things here, there's no save option, you go to Share, you type in the people in your class that you want to share it to, you click Share and Save, click Done, and those people, all they have to do is go to where it says Shared with Me, and then find the document that's been shared to them. They can also access it with the link that they get inside of their email. If you have any questions, I know Mr. Beeler is going to be in here. He can answer them for you, hopefully. And if you need to get your password and things like that, then you can get that taken care of too. So have a great day. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you out.